podcast home. I hope you are good and you are enjoying this channel. This is another time on Yoruba Gbode from Oluremi Aya Afolabi. Today we just want to look at time and seasons in Yoruba language. Mo tún kí wa káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí Yoruba Gbode, níbi tá a ti ń kọ́ra wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àṣà àti literature Yorùbá. Lónìí, ohun tá a kàn fẹ́ yẹ̀wò náà ni bí a ti ń pe ìgbà àti àkókò ní èdè Yorùbá. Nígbà tá a bá gbọ́ lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, báwo la ṣe ń pè é ní èdè Yorùbá? Ìgbà àti àkókò ní èdè Yorùbá. Ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé. Ẹ rántí pé Olúrẹ̀mí Aya Afọlábí ni mo jẹ́. Ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tó. Nígbà tá a bá sọ pé ọjọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láàárọ̀, which we call morning. Ìgbà, time, morning. Àárọ̀, morning. Àárọ̀. The midday, not morning, not afternoon, but in the middle. That's around 12 p.m. midday. That is Yoruba people will say ọ̀sán gangan, midday, ọ̀sán gangan. And we come to evening, ìrọ̀lẹ́, and night, alẹ́, night, alẹ́. We have it in a day, and we have days in a week. Day, ọjọ́, ọjọ́ kan, day. Week, ọ̀sẹ̀. And in weeks, we have weeks in a month. Months, oṣù. Let's just look at it. Ọjọ́, days. Week, ọ̀sẹ̀. Months, oṣù. Year, ọdún. And within a year, we have different seasons. Let's look at it. We have the dry season. Ìgbà ẹ̀rùn, dry season. Ìgbà ẹ̀rùn. Rainy season. Ìgbà òjò. And we have summer. Ìgbà òòrùn. Snow or winter. Ìgbà òtútù. Snow. Yìnyín. You can experience snow during winter. Ìgbà òtútù. Yìnyín á máa jábọ́. Snows will be dropping. Yìnyín á máa jábọ́. Yìnyín during winter. And we have springs, afẹ́fẹ́. We have sun, oòrùn. Weather, time, season. Weather, time, season. In a year, week, or months, as the case may be. And for our time, we have minutes, ìṣẹ́jú, second, ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, and we have wákàtí. This counts to make a day. And we have 24 hours in a day. Minutes, ìṣẹ́jú. Seconds, ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. Wákàtí, to make a day. We have day, we have weeks, we have year, and different seasons. And out of it, we must not forget, we have down period and high period. Down period, when things are so low, it can happen to individual, and it can happen to the city, to the town or city, country, as the case may be. Down season, àkókò tí nǹkan ò lọ déédéé. Down season, àkókò tí nǹkan ò lọ déédéé, tí nǹkan ò rí bó ti yẹ kó rí, tí gbogbo nǹkan lọlẹ̀ fún ni. When we have the high season, that is the time when we have things as expected. Gbogbo nǹkan lọ déédéé, nǹkan ṣẹnu re, nǹkan rí bá ti fẹ́ kó rí. We have the high season, we have the low season. As well, we have the sad times, and we have the happy moment too. Sad times, sad season, àkókò ìbànújẹ́. Sad season, àkókò ìbànújẹ́, when things we don't expect do happen, that cause sorrow, cry, weeping. That is sad time. Àkókò ìbànújẹ́, nígbà tí nǹkan tá a rí ti ṣẹlẹ̀, ohun tó ń bani lọ́kàn jẹ́, ohun tó pani lẹ́kún, ohun tí ò múnú dùn. Different things can happen. It can be accidents, it can be deaths, it can be loss of one thing or the other. Bóyá ikú ni o, bóyá àpàdánù nǹkan ni, ohun tó bani lọ́kàn jẹ́. Sad moments. And we have happy season too, when we are so happy, when things we expect or we don't even expect that makes you to be so happy happens to you. Àkókò ayọ̀, moment of joy. Àkókò ayọ̀, moment of joy. It can be time of birth, it can be when you get good jobs, it can be when you build house and you are celebrating. Times of celebration. Let's just put it in one way. Celebration. Nígbà tá à ń ṣe àjọyọ̀, tínú ń dùn, tọkàn yọ̀. Àkókò ayọ̀, happy seasons, happy time, and we have sad time. Friends at home, I hope you are following seasons, time, and our weathers in the year, and how we call it in Yoruba language. Find the video useful, subscribe, share, like. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ wa nílé, kì í dúnkò, ṣókí báyìí, lọ́bẹ̀ ògì, àti wo ìgbà, àti wo àkókò, àti wo bójú ọjọ́ wa ṣe ń rí nínú ọjọ́, ọ̀sẹ̀, oṣù, àti ọdún. Fídíò yìí kọ́ ẹ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kan. Subscribe, share, and like. Bó ti ń ṣe nǹkan wọ̀nyí, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn fídíò wa a máa wá sí àrọ́wọ́tó. More of our videos will be coming your way. Thank you. See you next time.